Okay, what I'm going to show you here today is how to use a territory availability map to find territories that are available and present them to your prospects or your candidates. So the map here we have here is of Sydney in Australia. There's a base map with place names, street names and so on. And on top of that we have a territory layer. These are fully planned territories. They're between 40 and 50,000 people each, and they're ready to sell. So the first thing to notice in the map is that the colors indicate the territory availability. So territories in green are available, those in yellow are reserved, and the ones in orange are sold. If we click on one of those territories, we can see a pop-up of information that tells us about that territory. So the population, the median income, and the number of people earning over a certain amount each week. Also the median age. We can add in other variables too, like the number of people between 18 and 40, for example. This pop-up is completely customizable. We can also use this map to quickly find a location. Maybe somebody's contacted us and inquired if we've got anything available. So for example, if we go to Penrith in the west, we can see that South Penrith is sold, but Penrith itself is available. If we want to send this territory information to somebody, we can simply click the Share Feature button, which will give us a link to the live map. And we can also email them directly from the map. We can also create a print from the map by clicking the print button, and we can position that territory on the print, and that'll produce a nice high quality print that we can email or we can include as part of a franchise territory agreement if that territory is sold. Now if I have the appropriate permissions to the map to be able to update the availability status, I can simply click on the territory, choose Edit Attributes, and change the status from available to sold. We'll immediately update on the map, and that'll make sure that everybody's always looking at the most recent version of the map, and there's going to be no clashes. We also have the ability to search for territories by criteria. So for example, using our query tool here, we can find territories that are available and have a median income of over 2,200 per week. Okay, so there are 22 territories that meet that criteria. We can view them as a table and decide which ones look the most interesting, and we can also download that as a list. Okay, so that's just a quick introduction to finding, sharing and selling territories with MangoMap.